garden update in February 2024 in my Jamaican backyard garden. My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So this is the star fruit, guys. Look. Remember I told you about the part that break and I buried it further, but it didn't make it. So this is what I did. I take off this part, so I'm going to try this part. I should have done that initially when this part break, because this damage already. I'm going to have to get another dragon fruit and be careful with it next time. I'm going to cut off this. I'm going to cut off this and see if I can stick it back in the soil. Experiment, experiment, experiment. So I'm going to plant that little part. Don't know if it will come, but as I said, I'm going to get another dragon fruit. So see there, I don't know if it will work. If it doesn't, then at least I tried. I wouldn't mind it working, but let's see. If you have not yet started a garden, are you planning on starting one? And if you already have a garden, what is it you're most looking forward to growing this year? Comment below and tell me. So I'm just giving you an update, guys. Look what we have here. My squash. So it fell off the vine. Yesterday I saw it and it was halfway off the vine. So now I came out and it fell off. Here, so my garlic's pushing out. The soil is very dry. I need to water my plants. See, I have cucumber here, guys, coming up. Yeah, garlic right there pushing out. I have more cucumbers coming up. Let me see if I can find any more. You have more there coming up right there. See another one right here. I know there are more. See one right here. I just need to search and I'll see them. See a little one coming up right here. I just need to run these along properly. As for the dragon fruit, guys, this is very, very soft. Look at it. So I'm just going to use these as compost. The good thing about it, I am getting some dragon fruits. I feel bad about this, but not so bad, seeing that I'm getting more. So I'm going to be very careful with the others that when I get them. Look at this sweet potato. 2 buckets, guys. I need to add some more soil to these 2 buckets, guys, and look how they're growing. Rigorous. Let me see if I have any beans. Well, I have a lot of string bean blooms. No beans as yet. Look at this, guys. Look how the ants. Look at this. the hands take over this bloom right here. I'm going to spray them off with the hose. What else is popping? Look at my star fruit, guys. I don't know what happened. My leaves are gone. But I will keep fertilizing and watering and see what becomes of it. I hope it's not dying. I hope it is not dying. Let's see. Well, I can't tell by the looks of it. So I hope it will spring up back. I really hope it will. These callalus are coming. Can have a garlic pushing up right here. Have more runners coming from my strawberries. Soon we'll be harvesting peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers. These can be transplanted very soon. My lettuce is iceberg lettuce. There's a few over here as well. Look at this. These ants and whiteflies. I'm just going to wash off this plant. I have peppers coming up. Peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers. Yep, lots of peppers. Lots of Scotch bonnet peppers coming up. So peppers over here, peppers over there, peppers over there. My ginger plant right here is thriving. See this callaloo springing up back again. This is so fulfilling. Feel good in guys. No man, I'm the hungry man. I'll leave some for the family. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.